Good afternoon and welcome to beautiful sunny Greensboro, North Carolina. I'm Brian Tuttle with Carolina Aircraft here today to show you this gorgeous 2008 G36 Bonanza November 771 Whiskey Golf. This one is absolutely beautiful. Let's take a closer look. November 771 Whiskey Golf is a beautiful G36. This is the airplane you'd like to be seen in pulling up onto the ramp. This one only has 950 hours total time since new. That's on the airframe and the engine. This engine has GAMI injectors. It also has only 475 hours on this Hartzell 3-blade Scimitar heated prop. November 771 Whiskey Golf has 80 gallons total fuel with 74 usable. At 170 knots, this will get you close to 800 nautical miles downrange. The paint on November 771 Whiskey Golf is in gorgeous condition. I would rate this a 9. It is Matterhorn white with royal navy and colonial gold striping. Gorgeous condition. One of the many reasons that people buy the G36 is for the big double cargo doors in the back. As you can see, it's easy to get in and out. Your middle seats here are facing to the rear. They can be turned around to face forward. The rear seats here, you can, without any tools, just fold these up. There's a hook that comes around and holds the seat if you need the extra cargo space. You've got about 1,027 pounds of useful load. The interior on November 771 Whiskey Golf is in gorgeous condition. I would rate this at least a 9. You can see the condition of the seats is in gorgeous shape. The side panels as well. Now this has the recessed armrest from 2007. Headliner is in beautiful shape. Got out my executive writing table here. We have cup holders along the top. I'm 6'2". I've got plenty of headroom here. There's also, for comfort, 6-place intercom system. I've got my own input for my own music if I'd like to have that. Just a gorgeous interior. The instrument panel on November 771 Whiskey Golf is the latest and greatest G1000 NXI fully integrated glass panel. This also has the Garmin 345 transponder with your ADS-B in and out. It has the WX500 Stormscope along with Garmin GDL69 subscription-based weather as well. The Garmin GFC 700 Autopilot is one of the best that you'll ever fly behind. This has vertical speed select, flight level change, altitude hold, GPS steering, and much more. This is a great panel for IFR flight. Other features that you will enjoy on 771 Whiskey Golf include Rosen sun visors, Flight Stream 510, front Bose Limo plugs, GAMI fuel injectors, executive writing desk, LED taxi light and LED beacon, factory air conditioning, co-pilot brakes, super soundproofing, leather wrapped dual yokes, 6-place intercom, safe taxi and flight charts, and much more. If you're in the market for a beautiful G36, give us a call in Greensboro, North Carolina. Make plans to see November 771 Whiskey Golf. This is a gorgeous airplane. Low time, only 950 hours since new, only 475 hours on the prop. This airplane has NXI upgraded G1000 avionics. It has active traffic, FISB weather, and much more. I'm Brian Tuttle with Carolina Aircraft. Have a great day.